Back with part 2 of the blizzard of 2016, Bucks County, Pennsylvania. It's Saturday, January 22nd, 10:15 p.m. The temperatures dropped to about 25 degrees. As you can see, the flakes have gotten larger over the last few hours, and we do have some accumulation. Accumulation has picked up quite a bit, and the snow continues to fall. The winds have yet to pick up greatly, but they will continue as the night moves along, and we'll kind of see the same thing. The morning time should be a lot deeper in terms of wind and snow, but got a couple inches, not a couple inches, but a good inch so far has fallen. So thanks for watching.